So welcome guys to another video of Bugsplat. Today we are going to exploit a very well-known vulnerability in Microsoft, which was recently discovered as a zero-day. So many of you won't know about the zero-day Microsoft. So it's a MSD or a Microsoft, like it's a MSD or a Microsoft Diagnose Service where actually the attack is happening. So let's before that uh, go for the attack and like let's see what's the attack is all about. So first understand what the attack is all about. So this is the POC. No, I don't want the POC. Let me just give you from Microsoft, not GitHub. It's a funny MSD, uh, MSDT, yeah, MSDT. So here you can see the Microsoft, where is the official site. I can't say. So MS, MSRC. So let's check it out. Yeah, it's not okay. So what is all about? Let's understand with our one of the most commonly known as John Hammond video. So it's a follina attack. So what is actually happening? It is giving you a remote code execution of the like of the victim computer once he or she is opening the word file. So how it is actually happening, what's the flow structure? So let me just give a basic idea. Paint. So like uh, I don't know the because the handwriting will be, this will be, let's say, a normal word file. So let me just, if this is a normal word file, and let's say how a miscellaneous word file will look like. So it what it will do, it will just take the structure and it will it will open, it will do anything. Okay, but let's say how actually Folina's attacks will work. So there will be some miscellaneous code. Okay, and this is the payload or the word file which we are do. Okay, wait for a minute. Which we are doing. So this is the word file or dot doc, or it can be x or something in the format. So what it is, it is having an inbuilt payload whenever we are having a two mode of a file. One is the read mode and another is the write mode. So whenever we are opening the file, it won't be taking or it won't be affecting you, but whenever you go for a read file, reading it, it will affect you. So why it will affect you? Because it has an inbuilt payload, and the payload, if I show you, here is the payload. If I go to the doc file, if I go to the word, and here you can see all these document themes. These are this all XML content, and this XML, one by one we will be fetching out from the server where we will set up the attack, or where the attacker will go. It will call all the file and it will go and call MSD, Microsoft Diagnose system, or system, or Microsoft Diagnose service. Definitely it's a Microsoft Diagnose service. It will help, or it will allow to create a dot executable file, and the executable file will give you a remote code execution to of this system. Let's say this is system A, this system to system B. So let's identify, this was the all scenario, and how this exploit was found. So let me give you a brief example before certain from tutorial of virus total. Virus total, we get all the informations. Okay, one of the researchers, security researcher, was doing testing on it, and he found that whenever we are in building the payload, it is identifying as a non-commentable one, or so, something like that. So let's go and exploit it up. So for this, what we need, we can't be deploying it in a local system. Rather we can deploy it on AWS for the global record one. So I am having my AWS server config. So let me just show you, and let me just check if I am having I am having the key also. Okay, the recording is still on. So if I sign into the console, and let me don't show you the password and everything. Well, that's not the email ID. Well, definitely let me just log in with the system. So what I will be doing, I will be just connecting my SSH key, and let's wait for some time to get the connection. Okay, yeah. So if I do ls, you can see it's a MSD follina service or CDMSD, and I am using the payload which is created by already John Hammond. uh, so you can directly get clone it from this link, and then you can go and export it. So what I will do, Python. So what's the ls? You can see there is a follina.py. So you can go for Python 3 follina.py and let's check the usage. So here you can go for a netcat or a reverse shell or something like that. So I'm going for the reverse one. So here I will be setting up my reverse port number where the connection will go. So it's telling permission denied, or so let's do so. So you can check it out, like yes, it has been created, and the server or the payload is actually reloaded, saved here, temp slash this, and then it is actually making a maldoc, the malware document, which is valina.doc. It's a dot slash in this same directory, and it is listening a server again. So what I need to do, I will be just doing ls, and okay, so my bad, I was doing desktop, and then I will be again connecting to the server, and here what I will do, cd msd ls. So I need this doc file. So what I can do, I can actually, hmm, let's do one thing, cd dot, and here I am writing the python 3 dash m http. Okay, so as 800, you can see as 800 is using here, and by default this module is using port 800, so I'm using it in port 1234. But to know the IP, I need to log in out, and well, AWS supported me a lot. Black Wallet Hacker 123 @gmail is a test account. Okay, so let's sign up, and the sign up is successful, and here I am got up with the AWS management console or AWS console. Here I will go for EC2, and here is my instance is actually running. So I can see the instance is running up here, and let's go and just check the IP. Yeah, this is the public IP, control V and 1234. And here we can see like .ss, and if in the follina we are going to download this doc. Let's download nc.exe. Some how it can be like, mm, it can be important one. So here you can see, so let me just close it out and let me just get it out. So let's, here's a doc, let open it up. So as I told you, like in the protected view or the open view, it won't be getting you any error. Just whenever you click on enable edit, it will create a problem. You can see connecting to server for information, and just like take a information, or like just wait for some time to get reciprocate. Let's wait for some time. It will show you connecting to the server, and it will give you the IP. Yeah, till the time, let's check our system. So here we don't get any cell. So it's like for me it can be affected or it cannot be affected, because I have recently 2 days back I got an update from Microsoft. You can check it out. This is the link HTTP 172.31. Though this is happening because 172.31, if I show you if config, let me just sorry, I okay, let me install sudo netbooks, then you can check it out. So once it up, then I can show you if config. You can see 173.31 point, this is the IP, which is the internal IP, but I won't be restarting up. Okay. So IFCO and FIG. So you can see 31.8.2. So it's actually the one, but I need to call the interface as 000. So it like, or I need to port forward this ET0 using any port forwarding services. But now you can see it's a connecting, so it won't be connecting it up because I don't have a port forwarding service till like now. You can use ngrok to it, and by this way you can exploit the 0 day in a very simple manner. So I hope you understand what is about the 0 day and what is about MSD service. So you can check it out, downloading, opening, and this will be the system going on. So I will won't be doing because it will be a malware attack. Then it's again making me okay. So this way you can actually get a reversal of the recent 0 day attack. So I hope guys you understand, and don't forget to subscribe my channel till the time.